This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my way, pelic quick. They get the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and this video is a public service reminder of why you need to have a dash cam in your car. So the other day, left work as I normally do, and there was some traffic downtown because of the narrowing of the main road that goes through town for outdoor dining. So that creates a lot of traffic. So I was sitting at a traffic light, and the light ended up turning green, but I had no place to go. And check out what happened once that light turned green. There we go. Great. Motherfucker! Here's the interesting thing, and I cut out the actual video before I could actually show it all, because this is an ongoing thing, is the fact that the driver did not pull over to exchange information with me after hitting the back of my car. Luckily, because I had the dash cam, I was able to get this footage, and as you can see, I have a very clear shot of their plate and the taxi company that hit my car. But nonetheless, I had to call the police, wait for the police, have the police look into it. Once I got home, I was actually able to get that video footage over to the police for them to look at. So they ended up reaching out to the driver and the taxi company, but since everything is ongoing, obviously, I don't want to post everything that transpired in this video, but as you can see, I was pretty upset that I got hit for no reason. This guy was either having micro strokes or something, or distracted or high. I have no idea. All I want is my car fixed. Right here's the scene of the accident. I was in this particular lane to turn left onto this main road. You can see it's narrow with no places to pull over or anything like that. This was completely full of traffic. So what I did was I waited for the other lane to go straight across, and I safely just pulled over up here. The other driver didn't even come over to exchange info. He just ended up turning right and then going right down the road, which I do have full footage of it. So it's just crazy. Here's the damage that they did to the town car. So you can see that they hit it pretty good, and screwed up the bumper pretty much. So I'm really hoping that they can give me like a Reeve Moto bumper as a replacement, so I don't have to deal with a body shop and all the other bullshit that goes along with this. So that's what's going on with the town car now. And it just seems like all these little annoying things are adding up like a death of 1,000 cuts. It's actually getting ridiculous. I don't know what it is. Probably just Mercury in retrograde, which it is in at the moment. But anyways, that is absolutely why you should have a dash cam in your car. So if you're looking to get a dash cam, I'm going to put some links down below for some really good ones. The reason why I was able to get the plate was because it was a high resolution rear camera. It was 1080, and it's 4K up front in the car. It's a Blackview system. So anyways, if you guys are interested in that, check out the link down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.